and welcome back to MSTR Administrator course, and this is my fourth video for Administrator course. And please subscribe the channel and stay tuned with the latest video which we are going to upload soon. So let's continue with MSTR identity. What is the MSTR identity? And MSTR identity is a comprehensive platform for identity access management and your analytics, and it's built on your analytics platform and delivers critical identity and intelligence on user behavior and resource utilization. So it incorporates the traditional form identity into a mobile identity badge, enabling user to access physical resources such as doors and elevators, and applications such as MSTR web using the MSTR badge app on their mobile device. So if they have these uh, MSTR installed on their on mobile device on mobile device, so yeah, you can manage them uh, through these MSTR identity features. And based on your license, what license you are choosing, so it depends on what features you are going to use in your MSTR application. So there are few features like the identity server. It's the server that synchronize your identity with the enterprise identity management system of record, and it present those identities to MSTR badge clients for authentications. And second one is the identity manager. It's basically a console which where you can manage from the identity manager. You can manage your network users, and you can configure to identity enable systems, resources, and distribute the digital badges and keys. And last but not least, that is the MSTR communicator. So it's basically reporting and related functionality to analyze and visualize the activity of user. So you can actually monitor your user activity into your network, and you can gain the insight into your enterprise security. Okay, so each user downloads MSTR badge to their mobile device. Badge is nothing but a mobile app. I will show you from where you can download it, and that allow users to validate their identity and to access identity enabled systems and resources. So once they validate their identity with the identity enabled system and resources which you are using in your network, they can use those resources through their own mobile. All right, so let's continue with MSTR product and tools. So we have lot of tools in MSTR. First is MicroStrategy Web. So an intuitive reporting interface for business user that offer interactive reporting and analysis through a web browser. MSTR Web is also the go-to product to design and create reports, documents, and dossier for other business users. So from this MSTR Web, you can create the dossier, you can create the documents, you can just create the reports, you can use the predefined template report templates, you can create from the scratch, you can even create the attributes, metrics, filters, prompts, and there are a lot of functionality even you can perform through this MSTR web only. And you just no need to download and install this any software on the user desktops, and you just have to provide the MSTR web URL to your analyst so that they can just they have the this web access, and based on the access you provide the role like the analyst. If there are some analysts in your company, you just provide the analyst roles to those particular users, and they will be able to create the reports, documents, or dossier. And yeah, it's and you don't need to manage any desktop. Okay, so there is MSTR library. This is an innovative tool, and for business user, dossier provides a powerful way to explore data in interactive visualization without prior business intelligence experience. Dossier features are an intrinsic part of MSTR web product. So I will show you in next videos how to create the dossier and share your dossier into the library. So yeah, it's a very interesting features. You have to share the to share your dossier to your to the MicroStrategy library, and those library, and then the dossier will be available into the MSTR library for other users, which is you are going to share with whatever uh, users you are going to be share. Okay, so another one is the MSTR Office. It's like enable the business user to run, analyze reports in MSTR Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. Then MSTR Mobile. Next one is MSTR Mobile. They have the application for the mobile as well, mobile user who are roam here and there, like your business users or your top management. So they are traveling worldwide. So they can all easily manage your MSTR things over the mobile or their own mobile. You just have to install those application, and then they will be able to see your dossier reports directly from their Apple iPhone, iPod, and their own mobile. All right. And then MSTR developer. So it's a client or server application that project designers use to create the MSTR project. And we also refer applications, MSTR project to as applications. So if MicroStrategy project is a location in the MSTR enterprise platform suite of products where schema and application objects can be created. I will show you, and we will go through this tool as well. And under this MSTR developer, there are another tool that is the MSTR architect, and pretty much it's handled by your architect, whoever is architect in your team. So they will manage and create the schema objects through this and mapping the tables, database tables, schema, application objects, etc. It's done by your architect. So let me walk through what I'm talking so it will make more sense for you for now. So this is our developer tool. Let me just close it for now and open it for you again. So this is the developer console. Okay, so the login ID is you administrator, and whatever password you enter, you set during your installation, or I mean you creating the project source, you just put that password. But for now I'm just leaving blank because I haven't set any password. It's going to connect. It's giving me just the warning that I do have only 30 days calendar to activate this license. Okay, and I do have only 14 days left. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking. This is our the project source, and under this project source we do have the administrator. And administrator basically is the common for all the project, but it's under the project source. And then you have this project, and what I'm talking about, the project. Okay, let me just quickly okay, here you go. It's the architect tool. If you just right click on your project and then click on the architect, it will open the architect board, which is usually used by your architect. It's not used by the admin basically. So here you can see this is our hierarchies, which is created, and we can see our database also here. What's the database we have and connected, and you can see in the tables under this MSTR architect. It's taking time. Okay, so you can see it's expand. I expand this tutorial database, and you can see all the tables under this database from here as well. And all these are the tables. You click it and it will highlight it those tables automatic. You see. Okay, and if you just want to see the sample database, what's the sample data, you can see also it here, what kind of data we have in this table, and based on them you can create this mapping. Okay, so though it's not the administrator task, but it's pretty much the architect level task. Okay, I'm just closing it. Okay, so let's continue with our slides first, and we will walk through the with our uh, practical exercise. It's the pretty much practical things which I'm going to create the videos. Those will be only the practical. But before we deep dive into what the things are, what the tools we have in my MSTR. So you must have the understanding of the basic understanding what we are talking, what we are doing, what is these tools. So before go ahead and just hands your dirty. So before that you must understand basics. So we have another tool that is MSTR Workstation. I will show you in the next video how to install it and how to work with Workstation. This is basically for your admin tar. You can pretty much do almost every task, whatever is required for admin perspective, so you can do that. And it's a unified tool that combines the power of your MSTR library, user management, content authoring. So you can create the roles, you can create the groups, and you can assign the permissions to your users based on the requirement. You can access your dossier when you can create the dossier from workstation as well, reports, libraries, documents, data sets, and many more. And there is the SDK tool, there's the software development kit. So it's a collection of development tools that enable users to customize and extend MicroStrategy products and to integrate them with other applications. Or okay, so as I mentioned earlier, we are using the MSTR product within our own tool, own product, which is a speech analytics product, and we are using the MicroStrategy for the reporting and for BI perspective. So yeah, so we have integrated them, and we have created our development team. They have created the plugins, and they have integrated with our own product. Okay, I will show you how you can use